Dear students, I am Devinder Maths sir. Now you can see your class 8 Maths.
Now you can see here exercise 2.2 first question. Find x in the following figures. See here A, B, C. ABC is a triangle or not? Yes. Here A, C, D. ACD is an exterior angle. Yes or no? You know that this is an exterior angle. But we need to find which value? X value. Yes or no? Yes. How can you find? Just you can observe here. Already in the previous classes you have learned exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. Now you can see here 123 degrees. This is an exterior angle. What are the two interior opposite angles? One is angle ABC, one is angle BAC. Yes or no? We need to find the sum of these two. X plus 56 is equal to 123 degrees. So that I am writing here from the figure, I am writing here angle ACD. Angle ACD is equal to how much? 123 degrees. You can write here 123 degrees is equal to angle ABC. ABC value is how much? ABC. That means x degrees. You can write here x degree plus angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to how much? 56. This is an exterior angle property you have studied in the 7th class. See here we need to find only x value. Yes or no? So that can I transpose 56 to LHS or not? Yes or no? That means can I write here 123 degrees minus 56 degrees is equal to x degree. 123 minus 56 how much? 13 minus 6 is 7 only. Here 11 minus 5 is how much? 6 only. 67 degrees is equal to how much? X degree. That means you can write here x degree is equal to 67. They are asking just find the value of x only. X is equal to how much? 67 degrees. In the similar way, now you can see one more problem. See here fourth one. First you can observe here in triangle X, Y, Z. Already they given that these two sides are equal or not? Yes. XY and XZ both are equal, but you can observe here if the two sides are equal, then the triangle is called as isosceles triangle or not? Yes. So that I am writing here in isosceles triangle they are given that xy is equal to xz. Xy is equal to xz. If the two sides are equal, you know that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal or not? Yes. What is the angle opposite to xy? What is the angle opposite to xy? It is z or not? Yes or no? That means can I mention here angle y, z, x, or you can write here x, y, x, z, y. You can write here angle x, z, y by because this angle z is opposite to xy. Yes or no? Yes, in the similar way. See here. What is the angle opposite to xz? Xz opposite angle is y only. Yes or no? That means angle y. Angle y mentioned written as xyz. You can write here angle xyz. You can write here angle xyz. In the brackets you can write here angles. Why I am writing here angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. What is the value of angle xyzy? See 45 degrees. You can write here 45 degrees is equal to angle xyz. That means angle y is equal to how much? 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7 degrees. That means you can transpose here 7 degrees to LHS. That means can I write here directly? I am writing here 2x is equal to 45 degrees minus 7 degrees. Yes or no? 45 degrees minus 7 degrees. 45 minus 7 is how much? Here 15 minus 7 is 8 only here 3. That means here 38 degrees. 2x is equal to how much? 38 degrees. That means here you can write here x is equal to how much? 38 by 2. That means here transposing 2 to RHS. You know that see 2 1 2 2 now 2 1 2. 18, 2 9 ja 18. That means can I write here x is equals 19 degrees or not? Yes, your answer is how much? X is equals 19 degrees. X is equal to 19 degrees is your solution. I hope you may understand this one. You can do the similar problems. The remaining should be. Now you can see here second question in exercise 2.2. The difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the numbers. First, you can try to read the question and understand. Then only we can do problem very easily. First, try to understand at least 2 times you can read the question. The difference between two numbers is how much? 8 only. That means if I don't know which numbers I am taking, see first I will take it. Let the smaller number is x. Let the smaller number is I am taking which number? X only. But they given that the difference between two numbers is how much? 8. So that's here. Since the difference between two numbers is 8, the bigger number will be equal to x plus 8. Yes or no? Just you can find the difference. See, x plus 8 minus x cancel. You will get difference is 8 or not? Yes. So that purpose only I am writing here. Smaller number is x. Biggest number is x plus 8. But once again you can see here. If 2 is added to the bigger number, if we are adding 2 is added to bigger number, where is big number? Is it x or x plus 8? X plus 8. That means can I write here? I am adding 2 to biggest number. Yes or no? Is it okay? I am adding 2 to biggest number. Will be. That means here the bigger number, the result will be. That means a result will be equal to. Result will be equal to 3 times the smaller number. Smaller number, where is that? Smallest number x or not? 3 times smallest number means it is 3 into x or not? Yes or no? Now you can write here 3 into x. So that only I written here. It is given that when 2 is added to the bigger number, 2 is adding biggest number or not, the result will be, that means is equal 3 times the smaller number. 3 times smaller number means 3 into x only. Now you can solve these problems here. X plus 8 plus 2 is how much? 10 only. Is equal 3 into x how much? 3x only. That means you can transpose x to RHS. That means you are getting is how much? 10 is equal 3x minus x. That means you are getting here 10 is equal to how much? 2x only. That means you can write here, I am writing here 2x is equal to 10. Yes or no? Implies you can transpose 2 to RHS. Yes or no? X is equal 10 by 2. That means here 5 only. Yes or no? X value is 5. That means it is the smallest number, biggest number, smaller number. That means you can write here. Therefore, smaller number is equal to 5. Bigger number will be, once you can tell me bigger number is equal to, is it x or x plus 8? Smallest number x, bigger number x plus 8. That means can I write here 5 plus 8 or not? Yes, 5 plus 8 is equal to how much? 13. That means therefore the two numbers, they are asking in our question, find the numbers, yes or no? Therefore you can write here the two numbers are 5 comma 13. Your answer is 5 comma 13. Now you can see here exercise 2.2 question number 3. See here, what are the two numbers whose sum is 58 and difference is 28? See here, sum is 58, difference is 28, but we don't know which are the two numbers. So that purpose I am taking here, let the two numbers are x comma y. Let the two numbers are x comma y. That means here whose sum means x plus y. X plus y is equal to how much? 58. Is it okay? Sum is equal to 58. That means x plus y is equal to 58. Difference is 28. That means x minus y is equal to 28. X minus y is 28. X plus y is 58. You can see here. See, as per the given data, sum of the two numbers is how much? 58. That means you can write here x plus y is equal 58. Okay, next one. The difference of two numbers is 28. Yes or no? That means you can write here x minus y is equal 28. Now you can let, I am taking, this is first one, this is second one. You can take here from 1 and 2. How can I write? See, x plus y is equal 58, x minus y is equal 28. Just you can add these two equations. See, plus 5 minus 5 will cancel. X plus x is 2x only is equal 28 plus 58. 8 plus 8 16. Here 5 plus, say 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. That means 2x is equal to how much? 86. That means x is equal to how much? 86 by 2. That means here 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 or not? Yes. That means x value is how much? Therefore x is equal 43. Yes or no? Now you can substitute x value in equation 1. Yes or no? Substitute x value. Substitute x in equation 1. That means here x plus y is equal 58. Then 43 plus y is equal 58 implies y is equal 58 minus 43. How much it is? 58 minus 43. 8 minus 3 is 5 only. Here 5 minus 4, 1 only. That means y is equal to how much? 15. That means now we can write here. Therefore, the two numbers are, the two numbers are, first one is how much? X value 43, y value 15. That means 43 comma 15 only. See, just sum how much? 58. Difference how much? 28. This is your answer, 43 and 15. Now you can see here another question, 6th one. A man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train and then by bus, as far as twice by the train. If the whole journey is 70 kilometers, how far did he travel by train? For example, see, already they mentioned the total journey is how many kilometers? 70 kilometers or not? Yes or no? The total journey is equal to 70 kilometers. In that 70 kilometers here, a man walks 10 kilometers. That means a man walks how many kilometers? 10 kilometers he walked. Next, after that, he travels a certain distance by train and then by bus, as far as twice by the train. See here, that means the bus journey is equal to twice the journey by the train. Yes or no? So that, see, I will take here the train journey. The train journey is, for example, this will be x. You can take the train journey will be equal to x. The bus journey will be equal to 2x or not. Why? Because they have only mentioned, see, that certain distance by train and then by bus. Bus is as far as twice by the train. We don't know train. Yes or no? This train distance will be, I am taking here x kilometers. The bus travel distance will be equal to twice by the train, means 2x. Now you can see 10 plus x plus 2x is equal to 70 or not. Then you can solve the problem very easily. Now you can see here, given that a man walks how many kilometers? 10 kilometers. Yes or no? A man walks 10 kilometers. After that, let the distance traveled by train. Train how many kilometers I am taking? X kilometers. You can take here x kilometers. Then the distance traveled by bus is equal to x. Why? Because it is the bus as far as twice by the train. See here, from the given data, whole journey is equal to how much? 70 kilometers. That means whole journey means, once you can see here 10 plus x plus 2x. That means total is equal to how much? 70. You can substitute here very easiest problem. See here x plus, see first you can write here 10 plus x plus 2x is equal to 70. Then you can write here implies 10 plus 2x plus x is how much? 3x. 3x is equal to 70. Then you can see here, you can transpose 10 to RHS. That means can I write here 3x is equal to 70 minus 10? Is it okay? That means 70 minus 10 is how much? 60. 3x is equal 60 means implies can you write x is equal 60 by 3 or not? Yes, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 20. That means x is equal to how much? 20 kilometers. Yes or no? Therefore, you can write here x is equal 20 kilometers. What they are asking once you can see the question. How far did the travel by the train? Train how many kilometers? X kilometers. You can write here the distance traveled by the train is equals 20 kilometers. Yes or no? The distance traveled by the train equal to how much? 20 kilometers. This is your answer.
Thank you for watching this video.